On the Sapphire system, you'll notice when you open the front cover, the filter is located here. However, on the new Vireo Gen 3 system, when you open the front cover, there is no filter. Take a look on the top, you'll see there's two tabs, and the filter simply pops up. Easy to remove, as well as these.
The one thing we don't want to use is any kind of chemicals. There's no reason for that, and the chemicals could actually eat away the screen, or you could be leaving residue on there that allows it not to filter properly. So I highly recommend you just wash it with water. So you take your filter outside, you want to make sure your hose is set up to where it ain't got too much pressure. We just want to wash it out. You see all that funk coming off of there. I wash from the back side first, then wash through the front side. But there we go, nice clean filter.